Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. Also, there's a bell that's beside that subscribe button. I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of what the video is. I do upload a lot, and some of my videos are time sensitive, or some of them you just want to watch right away. So you will see that picture and the title, and if it's something you want to watch right away, you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. All right, today is the day that we are going to be announcing the giveaway winner. We're in the month of April, and I just want to use a little bit of this time to just send my warmest wishes to everybody, that everybody is staying safe and well and healthy, and using their time to spend with their loved ones, and realize that that's the positive side of what we're all going through around the world. So I just want to make sure that these videos that I'm doing are just bringing a little bit of light into your life during this time. And I know a lot of us are work from home, so our life may have changed just a little bit compared to a lot of other people, but I want to make sure that you guys watch the YouTube videos, because it really takes your mind off just a little bit of what's going on the outside world. So I'm hoping that's what these videos are doing for you guys. I know that's what it's doing for me when I'm watching other videos, and I'm also getting an opportunity to watch more videos from people that I didn't have the time to before. So I want to welcome a lot of my new subscribers, so thank you. I also want to thank everybody for sharing my channel, because the only way that I'm growing on this platform, I know that I've only been at this for a little short period of time, and I have been growing nicely, but it's due to you guys. So thank you so much for sharing my channel with other people, mentioning my channel on your Facebook, because I'm not on Facebook. I'm solely right now on Instagram and YouTube. So I'm trying my best to keep up with that. So my goal, hopefully, maybe by the summer of 2020, I'll be able to start learning more about Facebook. But for now, this is what I have time for, and this is what I'm doing. So I just want to thank everybody who has been on my behalf sharing my channel with their Facebook groups, and I know that a few of you have done that for me and you have mentioned it to me. Also, the comments are really, really important to me, simply because it gets for me to get to know you guys a little bit more. And also, if you've used products that I'm mentioning in my videos and you share that in the comments, it's our little community that we're able to help each other know, because this is my point of view, but some of you might like or dislike some of the products that I like or dislike. So I want to make sure that we're a community within the comments, that you guys share in there as well with each other, and you have been doing that, and it's great. The other part that's really amazing is that because my channel is still not a large channel, a lot of the people that are watching and they comment almost on all of my videos, there is a bond that starts to get created, which is really, really nice. And also, when a name gets picked out when I do the giveaways, and it's somebody that has been communicating, or someone new that just started and they started communicating through the comments, it is such a great feeling, because you almost feel like you're giving a gift to a friend. So that's why, for me, it's important that you guys take the time to leave something in the comments. So I just wanted to share all that with you guys. I'm not going to make this into a long video. I just want to share with you guys what the product is that this giveaway is about, and then mention the winner, and then I'll tell you guys how the winner will get in touch with me and how we're going to get the product to you. All right, so today is the giveaway that we're talking about, is the Alamar brushes. And I was so pleased that so many of you thought that this was a good choice for the giveaway, because when I got a second one, in my boxes. If you're not familiar with my channel, with Boxycharm, I do get I have two accounts. When I started my channel, I only had my one account, which was my base box that turned into a Luxe. And when I started my channel, I didn't want the people that didn't upgrade to the Luxe to get the base box. So what ended up happening is Boxycharm told me I had to open up a second account. So I was planning on just having it open for the base box during the months, but you have to cancel and then resubmit, and it's a little bit harder. There's no pause on Boxycharm yet. I heard that they're working on it, and I think that's a great idea, but that's what my plan was. Then Boxycharm started doing choice. So I figured, okay, then the following month, when it wasn't a Luxe month, I did keep the base box in my regular account, which I purchased for the year. And then I kept the second account with the base box for the non-Luxe month, because I had the choice, which was going to be different. I figured I can show you both choices. So that worked out great. Then the premium started. And premium, you were put on wait list. So I initially got my initial premium, and I tried and got off the wait list on the second premium. So because of that choice scenario, I decided to keep both premiums. And by doing that, we started doing giveaways almost weekly. And we wanted to use, if we did get any duplicates, then that's what went into the giveaways. If not, it was to show you guys, which is why I started my channel, all the products that were available, swatch them and do that. So the giveaways ended up becoming part of my channel solely because of the duplicate scenario. That was the only reason why. And it ended up being a blessing in disguise, and it's something that we enjoy doing, and you guys enjoy the way that I'm doing it. So because it's one product and things like that. So like I said, this is the, that's why I have two of the Alamar brushes. I was happy when there was a duplicate of this, because I think the other thing was sponges and some other things. And with so many variation, when we first started doing this, I wasn't getting any duplicates at all. And then I started getting a lot more duplicates, which was, I thought, surprising, because there's so many variations. But like I said, it ended up becoming a blessing in disguise, because I'm able to share that with you guys here. So this is the package that's going to be going out. It is completely sealed. I did not open these. This is the one that I have here. I have tried a couple of them, and I have been enjoying them. These little nets, I keep them because I saw that these used to be sold, that when you wash your brushes and you put the product back in this, it keeps the structure of the brushes. So I haven't tried that yet, but it is something that I'm intrigued to do. The first brush that you're going to be getting is called the bronzer brush, but like I've said, the name on this is to me an idea of what you can use the brush for, but you can use brushes for anything that you want. A lot of my bronzer brushes that I use are more of a fan type. They're a thick one. It's from IT Cosmetics. If you haven't seen all my makeup brushes, definitely check out that video, because it is a good one. It was one of the first ones I did when I started the channel. But this one seemed to be a little more unique, and I didn't realize it when I was showing it. But when I tried to use the product on my face, there are almost these little bumps that are on here, and it really acts completely different than any other brush that I use. So hopefully when the winner that we chose, that got picked, actually is someone who's new to my channel, and she also has a channel, that you will be able to tell me when you use it. If I'll watch your video hopefully, and you'll tell me what your take is on this as well, because no one has mentioned that, and it really intrigued me. So I don't know if you guys can see it or what angle it is there, but it really acted completely different than any other brush that I've owned. The next item that I have here that's going to be in the bundle, it's called the Compexion Trio. So this one is also a complexion brush. This one I have used for blush. You can see that I tried all these before I came to do this video today, so that's why you can see that they haven't been washed yet. So that's what it looks like here. They're very lightweight. They're such a beautiful rose gold. And the last one that's on here is the brightening brush. That's what it looks like here. And this one I didn't use for highlighter. It was a little bit too, for me, I thought a little bit too big of a brush, but I did use it to wipe away and put some banana powder underneath my eyes, and I really did enjoy it as well. So I am so excited for you to get this. I am so impressed with this Alamar line. I have their blushes, their bronzers, some eyeshadows. I have their eyeshadow brushes, and I have this, and all of that is thanks to Boxycharm. And like I said, I'm really, really excited to share this with the winner. So the winner of this that got picked, her name is Sally Choi. And what I'm going to do, Sally, is I'm going to go into the video where you put your comment that you wanted to be in here, and I will reply to that comment. I'm also going to try to direct message you on Instagram, and then we're going to finalize everything via email, where you're going to be sending me all your personal information of where we're going to be shipping this to in the USA. And then I will respond to that with the tracking information. And we do it pretty quickly. As soon as we hear from you, all that gets done usually the same day, if not the next day. So you'll be getting it pretty quick. So like I said, thank you so much, because I started following her, and then she in turn followed me back, which I thought was very sweet. And I enjoy her videos as well. And I hope that she'll end up doing a video using these brushes, because I'm excited to see what she's going to be doing with them as well. So once again, congratulations to Sally, but thank you to everybody who did enter. And like I said, there will be another one coming very quickly, and hopefully you will have an opportunity. It will be something that intrigues you as well, and you'll enter that one as well. All right, once again, thank you to everyone who has spent their time with me on this channel as well as on Instagram. I appreciate it so much. And just everybody stay safe, stay well, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.